Gentle, mysterious tone. In the ancient land of Shinar, a story unfolds. A tale of ambition, unity, and confusion. This is the legend of the Tower of Babel. All descriptive. On the vast, flat plains, the descendants of Noah gathered, united by a single language and a shared dream. Inviting together, they decided to build a city, and at its heart, a tower that would reach the very heavens. Steady, focused, with determination, they shaped wet clay into bricks, forging the foundation of their grand vision. Methodical, the bricks were loaded into kilns fired to strength, each one a step closer to the sky. Warm, industrious flames roared as the bricks hardened, ready to become part of something monumental. Energetic, workers carried the bricks to the construction site, their movements synchronized, their purpose clear. Hopeful, the first stories of the tower began to rise, brick by brick, ambition taking form. Detailed, black tar mortar sealed the bricks together, binding the people's hopes into every layer. Expansive, around the tower, a city blossomed, its buildings encircling the ever-growing monument. Admiring, the workers moved in perfect harmony, their unity fueling the tower's ascent. Awestruck, soon the tower soared 10 stories high, a marvel of human cooperation and ambition. Reverent, higher and higher it climbed, reaching boldly toward the heavens above. Mysterious, the top of the tower vanished into the clouds, its peak lost to sight. Dramatic, suddenly, divine light broke through stormy skies, signaling a turning point. Tense, confusion swept through the workers. Construction ground to a halt as something strange took hold. Concerned, the foreman shouted orders, but no one understood. Words became meaningless. Chaotic, arguments erupted as workers struggled to communicate, their unity shattered. Urgent, the construction site descended into chaos, confusion spreading like wildfire. Reflective, people gathered in groups, each speaking a different tongue, unable to understand the others. Somber, divided by language, the groups departed, each heading in a different direction. Soft, wide, humanity scattered across the earth, their unity lost, their dream unfinished. Wistful, the tower stood incomplete and abandoned, a silent monument to human ambition and confusion. Thoughtful, even today, modern towers reach for the sky, echoing the dreams of Babel. Pointed, yet international delegates still struggle to cooperate, divided by language and misunderstanding. Observant, modern workers, too, face barriers of communication, their efforts sometimes lost in translation. Cautious. Even technology cannot always bridge the gaps between us. Gentle closing. And so, the story of the Tower of Babel ends. A timeless reminder of the power and peril of human ambition.